Open position, E minor pentatonic scale. Fret 7, string 5. String 6, fret 12. String 6, fret 12, finger number 4. Oops. So we can connect these different positions up using fret 5 and then fret 4 for string number 3. So along string 6 we are going to go camera 7 to 10, then to fret 12, 15, carry on down. Back down position 7, fret 10, fret 7, 5, 3, open. Same along string 5, fret 5, fret 7, fret 10, slide on to 12. String number 3, fret 4, fret 7, go back down string 3 to fret number 9, fret 7, 5, 2, 1, open, 3. So the idea is you can ascend through the scales and travel back down the scale in a different way, but it will sound exactly the same.